Hey everybody, Scott Burnett here. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to my office. I'm here at the work table. Today we're going to have a little different video. I know that everybody knows what this is. It's a GoPro. It's a Hero 3 Plus. It's got a few years on it, but it still makes really good video. And it'll do all the way up to 4K 15 frames, but generally I run it at either 1080 or 2.7K. Truck going by, thank you. Anyway, beforehand, the audio on this camera really is not good, and that's what it's always hindered me on using it. I use it when I'm in the boat. I've got little arms and little selfie sticks and whatnot and little mounts on the boat and everything, but the audio has just been horrible. Well, I ran across a guy on YouTube, and I'll put the links in the description below, where they found an adapter that goes right into USB out to 3.5 millimeter jack, and I found a case that has an opening. So anyway, on a normal GoPro, you have this back, let me get up here, that's open that allows some of the sound to get in. But what I've done, I went to Amazon, and I'll have a link on this. It's called a refuel battery, and it's a huge battery. I mean, it makes the whole thing like a baseball. It lasts 8 or 9, 10 hours on a charge. And but when you put this battery on, you have no way of getting audio to it. And that's when I found this adapter. And I've got it right here. And that is a mini USB or micro USB, mini USB to a 3.5, it's what they call a TRSS plug. Okay, on top of that, I've got this shotgun mic, and links to all this stuff. This is a Malky. It has a hot shoe. I don't know if y'all can see that or not. It's got a wind. It's got a dead cat and a wind screen that goes on it. And it's got this mount. It just pops on, and I can use it on the mount that I've got my phone plugged into right now, or I found an adhesive back hot shoe mount. And what we're going to do, we're going to make the audio on the GoPro a whole lot better. So what I'm going to do, got some alcohol, just plain old rubbing alcohol, on a paper towel. And I'm going to clean the top of this so I get a good bond on it. Because it looks like that's a 3M adhesive on the little adapter, and it won't affect, the little hot shoe won't affect taking that off. You just pop that off and take the GoPro out or whatever. But with this opening, I can get to the SD card or the micro SD card and all the connectors and everything just fine. It's pretty cool. All right, I'm gonna take the back off of this. And I hope the lighting's going to be okay in here. It's 7 o'clock in the evening. Just got home a little while ago. But I'm going to try to line this up as straight as I can. Not going to be perfect, but it's going to be pretty good. I can already tell that's some pretty serious adhesive, so yep, perfect. Almost. Anyway, okay, here's my microphone. It's what they call a shotgun microphone. Don't know why, but. And this just tightens, just clamps down on it. Got the same little deal on top of the mount that's on my phone's on. And that's what it looks like. And then you put the little adapter on here. and you have just made this a super duper little camera. It was already good, but it's a whole lot better now. So anyway, what I'm going to do, I'm going to switch from this camera. I'm going to mount this one up on top or something. I may, tell you what, I'm going to clamp it on the side and we'll do it that way. Y'all bear with me just a second. Okay, hopefully you guys can hear me. I've switched over to the GoPro now. It's got the shotgun mic on top with the adapter. And hopefully this is going to make a difference. It'll be a whole lot better than everybody out there on the boat fishing like a silent movie. And me having to narrate it or do sign language or something. But anyway, let's check this out now and we'll see how it turns out. And we'll switch back over to the other camera. So anyway, hopefully that's going to turn out good. I got the GoPro right in front of there. Anyway, we'll have links to everything that we used in this. I have an Amazon affiliate account. The links are going to be on there, and if you click on that, it helps me out. It helps me make videos and the whole bit. It's very little, but I'll take it. Anyway, I'll have prices for everything. This was really inexpensive, and if you have an older GoPro, pretty good deal. But anyway, subscribe to the channel, like the video if you like it. The other button works too, but let's don't use that. Share it with your friends on social media. You know, we'd love to have you on board being a subscriber. I'm going to try to put some more videos out. Going to try to be doing some fishing here shortly. I went fishing last week, wasn't too good. But anyway, appreciate you watching the videos. And y'all have a blessed evening, and we'll see you on the next one.